In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable lock screen wallpaper auto change feature in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to set your power plan and screensaver. How you can do that? Here at the button search bar, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'd be able to see a control panel under the best match. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on open to proceed. Okay, so once you are being navigated to the control panel, you need to change the view like this first. So navigate to the view by, click on this down arrow key, and set it into large icons. One, please find for power options. In my case, I have seen it here at the fifth column next to keyboard. Click on that one. Once you have opened the power options, you would be able to see your selected power plan. In my case, balance is my selected power plan. In your case, it could be high performance or power saver. So next to it, you can see there are change plan settings. Directly click on it. And here you can see turn off the display. Click on this down arrow key and select any of the time here that that you would love to go with. Okay, both in plugged in and on battery. So just have to go with this setting the time here. And once you're good, click on save changes. Once done, close the window. And we will now proceed to the enabling or the allowing for auto change feature of the lock screen wallpaper. So I have here a created folder, and this contains all of the images that I would love to set as my wallpaper with. In your case, you can please create rather a folder that contains all of the images that you can set or that you would want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Once you have created a file folder, you need to proceed to the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and find for an option called personalization. Click on it. And once you have opened the personalization settings, please navigate to lock screen. Okay. And click on it again. And here at the lock screen, okay, you need to navigate to the, okay, let me just proceed here. Since it is not the lock screen, it is the themes. Let me just proceed to the lock screen. Okay, at the lock screen window, please proceed to personalize your lock screen. Click on this down arrow key and set it into slideshow. Once done, okay, you need to wait until you can reveal this option where you can add an album for your slideshow. So please click on browse and you need to locate the file folder that you have created which contains the images that you would love to set as your lock screen wallpaper with. So in my case, it is being placed at my desktop. Just navigate to the images, click on choose this folder. Okay. So once you're good, you'd be able to see that one and then close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to allow or enable the auto changed feature for your lock screen in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.